Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a hair video. This is not a sponsor video. This is not a collab. This is not a cooperation. This is not a paid cooperation. I will basically be showing y'all how I reinstalled this wig. I did get this wig for my birthday, so I will be reinstalling it with y'all. It is very beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. This is my second time reinstalling this wig, y'all, so I did want to show y'all the steps that I did to get this look. I hope that y'all enjoy. Let's get right into this video. So y'all, I'm starting off with a freshly washed wig. I did wash this wig with just shampoo and conditioner, nothing special. I'm going in with this lace glue that I got from this girl that stay in my city, y'all. I had this lace glue since October, literally. I do not really put a lot. This is probably my first time actually putting a lot. I'm just putting that around my wig cap. Y'all, I need to find a better method for my wig caps. Like, I don't know if it's because it's summertime or because it's hot and I sweat a lot and it's because of my forehead, but y'all, my wig caps come off with my wigs. Like, they don't even come off by themselves. Like, they don't even come off separately anymore. I don't know what's going on, but I don't need to come up with a new method for my wig caps, y'all. But I'm just going in with this glue, one layer basically, and then wherever I feel like I need to put more, I did put more. I will let it dry for a couple seconds, and then I'll be going in and basically just laying the wig right on top of the glue, y'all. Nothing special, literally just laying it right on top of the glue. And y'all, this is a mess. This will be a mess, but you do have to trust the process. Now I'm parting out my baby hairs. As I mentioned, this is a wig reinstall, so the baby hairs were kind of already parted out. Kind of was hard for me to go off of it, but I still tried to make it do what it do. I'm using my rat tail comb to basically melt the wig into the glue, as you can see. Now I'm taking my mini flat irons. I got these flat irons from Walgreens. That was like $20, probably $22. And I'm curling my baby hairs. I usually curl them going towards my face, but lately I've been curling them the opposite way, going the opposite way. It makes the hair lay better if you're going for the fluffy baby hairs look, y'all. Now I will be brushing through the hair. I didn't put anything in the hair but olive oil spray, olive oil sheen spray to be exact, y'all. I'm pretty sure they sell it at any local beauty supply store, Walmart, Sally's, literally everywhere. It is a common thing. I'm just basically spraying this in my hair before I apply curls, and I will be putting some simple cute curls into this wig. Y'all, the key to a flat wig is to use your hot comb. Hot comb, hot comb, hot comb. Hot comb till you feel like you can't hot comb no more. You're gonna burn yourself a couple times, but just continue to hot comb. Hot comb until you feel like, okay, that's enough. Like, you overdoing it now. Because honestly, that hot comb helps your wig lay way better. Now I'm basically just going in wherever I feel like my lace didn't blend well, and I'm just cleaning up my part as well. And y'all, I love using this to clean up my wigs, like when I'm doing the install or finishing up the install. It definitely goes well with my skin. So if you are close to my skin color, I definitely feel like you should invest into this, sis. So y'all, this is the end of the video. I hope that this was very helpful for the ladies out there that need help with reinstalling a wig. I hope that this was helpful, y'all, because I know how it be once you get a wig installed. You can't get it back to exactly how you want it or exactly how the stylist had it. But you know that you spent your money on it, you want to reinstall it and get a couple more wears out of it. I definitely feel like this method is very helpful, very beginner friendly, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go watch the rest of my videos if you already haven't. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything. We're going to roll to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And sis, if you haven't watched the rest of my videos, what are you doing? What are you doing? Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.